Dear nature, you're probably wondering where we've all gone. Where are all those people who were wandering in your woods? Where are all those airplanes that were flying in your skies? Isn't all the silence strange? Dear nature, we miss you. Probably more than you miss us. Take this time to breathe, to bloom, to conquer your space. And when we're back, we promise we'll treat you better than we ever did before. Because now that we are so distant from you, we truly understand how much you really mean to us.